Hello! Hi. What? Today, we not just prepared one challenge, we prepared experiments, we prepared tricks, and we prepared challenges. Can you give me challenges for today's video?
For today's video, what kind of challenges do you want?
We have challenges, experiments, tricks.
Are you ready for that?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, for this challenge, I give you one toothpick and then 2 forks.
Okay.
You need to keep the toothpick on top of the other toothpick. Just like this. Or just like this. Or whatever you know. This one should stay on top of this. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You don't need to think.
Okay. First, we need to cross the fork. Can we turn it over?
Mm-hmm.
We
Okay.
also have little vinegar.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
Okay, perfect. But you have to do that. Okay, so perfect. This is good. Yeah, only the head. Maybe from other side. So that it's in the camera. Yeah. Yeah, wait lang.
Oh.
Wow.
Babili, 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 babili. Babili, 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 babili. Now,
Spin. Okay, the next video is if you write this circle on the paper and then that one without removing your marker from the paper, I will give you another 200 pesos.
okay, Baba. It's so easy naman eh.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Nice. No, that's not right. I told you don't. No, just like that picture. Just like what I showed you. There should be no line here. Try another one.
Second.
No.
First, we need to put a circle. Then we need to do this. After, we need to draw a straight line and stop. And a circle.
That easy?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Go next.
What?
You guess. We have candle, we have lighters, and we have the bottle and the water here.
I think we're going to put the water at the glass.
Okay, but how? Can you show me? You have to do it without getting this or putting it without touching everything here. Go, show me how do you do that.
Okay. Can you do it for me?
Okay, you need my help. So, maybe.
Put it in the middle. Now that please put that there.
Inside.
Yes.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Is that gonna work?
Yes. Stop.
Oh, since it's working. The water is going out.
As you can see, guys, it's going up.
That's so nice, actually. I also wonder. Still out. Not 9 anymore. Not 9 anymore.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try one more time. Whoa, look at this. It's going up and up and
Guys,
up.
it is you know the song go.
You guys know the reason of this? Can you tell us in the comments?
Yes, please give us a hint. Do it.
What really happened?
It's like
That's nice. I like it. Okay, good.
enough na for the video.
Yeah, I made a big mess here.